Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Example 6, show that 5 minus root 3 is an irrational. Like last sum, we need to solve same. First, we need to assume that it is a rational. Okay, here we will be making as it is a contradiction. Okay, solution. First, let us assume as 5 minus root 3 is rational. Okay, therefore 5 minus root 3 is equal to a by b. Like last sum, a comma b is an integer. Okay, then b not equal to 0. A and b are co-prime numbers. Okay, it is a very important step. It should be written in sentence or like this. Okay, next step we will be taking root 3 this side. 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3, which gives root 3 is equal to 5 minus a by b, which is 5b minus a divided by b. Okay, இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் ரூட் 3 இஸ் ரேஸ், ஏன்னா நம்ம ரேஷனல் அஸ்யூம் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இது ரேஷனலாக தான் இருக்கணும், இது ரேஷனலாக இருக்கணும். we know that 5 minus a by b is rational and root 3 is rational. Therefore it is a contradiction. Why? The reason is because the root 3 is irrational, as we proved in the last sum. If possible, you can write, if this is a 5-mark question, you can write root 3 is irrational also in this problem along with this. Okay, therefore our assumption in this statement is wrong. Hence 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Okay, thank you.